Hello, Math 24 students. We're at the end of week 10 and beginning week 11. So if you scroll down on the home page, you'll see the button for week 11 that will take you right to the week 11 module. Then the order is the same as always, where I have the quick quizzes first and then the shine quiz, then the discussion board and the journal, and then the textbook homework. And this week, the only textbook homework due is 4.1 and 4.2, which are review sections from the exponential and logarithms section, so that you'll be ready to do section 11.8. So then the answers are here, or if you want more detailed solutions. And then last semester, I was asked to make solutions for these problems that are listed here. And so I've included them here for you. So they're my worked out solutions. You can see how I lay out the problem, how I label things. So that might be really helpful when you're doing your homework. And then the course pack notes aren't actually due until the 16th. But if you wait until then, there are 5 videos. So that's probably going to take too long to do in one day. So I would suggest that you break it up in pieces. And so I would do the A and B part this week, and then the C, D, E part next week, and then be ready to turn it in the following week. And then 11.8B on the lecture video, I didn't do one of the examples that turned out to be one that students really wanted to see. So I've written out the solution to that example that isn't on the video. So you don't have the narration, but you have all the written out work. And then there's PowerPoint slides, as always, that go with the chapters that we're working on. So chapter 4 is exponential and logarithmic function review, so that we can do 11.8, which is calculus or derivatives of exponential and logarithmic functions. So please don't wait to get started. It's a packed section because it has 4 review sections as well. And then also, I want to make sure that you realize that there is a holiday, not this upcoming week, but the following week on Thursday, November 11th. That is the day that we honor our veterans, and school won't be held that day, so there won't be a Zoom session that evening, and none of the school services will be available. Things are back open on Friday, November 12th, if you need to visit a math center or talk to somebody in admissions and records or any of those places. So I want to remind you too that you have someone called a success coach that's available to you. And if you go to the Sierra College website, and you go to Student Services, and then Success Center, and actually I find it quicker by Googling Sierra College Success Center. And then by interest area, there's a person who is your contact person for everything. So here's Irina Chervenkova, and I've sent you her contact information, but let me just remind you about her, because you can get one-on-one help from your interest area support specialist. You can drop in, schedule an appointment online, email, call, and this person can do all of these things: problem solve, answer questions, find free resources for you, help you explore your major, prepare for graduation. And then the other thing they can do is hook you up with a person in financial aid if you're having a financial aid issue, or hook you up with a person in admissions and records if you're having any trouble with your transcripts or with transferring. So please take advantage of her. She has had a lot of training so that she can be super helpful for you. And I hope you'll take a chance to meet her and see what she can help you with. Have a great week. It looks beautiful out there. Try to get outside.